cool cats, how's it going? Welcome to the Summer Nights premiere. Tonight I am doing a take on one of my favorite movies, which is Grease 2. I know, very, very controversial, but that is my favorite Grease movie of the two. I love the first movie, but this is just a really cool movie for me. I've always connected to the songs to the movie, so tonight's pour is kind of Grease 2 themed from Cool Rider. Love Michelle Pfeiffer in this movie, so let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got today is a 20 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. And in the spirit of the Grease 2 movie theme, I picked the colors using the front cover of the movie. And so depending on which picture you pick, you might get some various different colors, but I'm going with the traditional. So I'm going to be using a black base, and I'm using a pink here. This is my Quinacridone Rose Light. This here is red, which is my Napthol Red Medium. I don't know why I can't never remember this stuff when I'm pointing it out. Azo Yellow Lemon, and I'm using silver. So the movie picture is more of a gray, so I'm using silver as the gray. What I'll be doing today is an open cup pour, and I am going to disrupt it, and I'm probably going to keep negative space on the top and the bottom, so the colors are going to just kind of wavy through here. So I'm really not going to need a whole lot of paint. All right, so the first thing I want to do is put down some of my, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Flood this canvas real good. Already see some sludge in here. I'm going to stretch out this base coat so that I've got my sides and edges covered, so I don't have to worry about getting them covered during the tilt itself. This will allow me to keep that negative space, and I can just touch up my sides and edges. I don't know about you guys, but lately my Floetrol has had some serious boogers in it. Drives me crazy. I'm gonna give this a torch real quick. Put a puddle there in the center. Gonna do off center. The cup's gonna travel, and I'm going to do my best to keep my colors here. So again, I'm not gonna need a whole lot of paint. But what I will do is I'll just put a little bit more in the center of that. This will allow my colors to sink below this black. My first color I'm gonna start with is my red, my Napthol Red. So I'm gonna line up my cup and raise up really high so that the red goes beneath the black and starts to ooze out. Then I'm gonna do a lot of pink. Going to be careful of the silver, but I am going to put quite a bit. Oh no! I dripped, but that's okay. You can just touch. That will help remove the paint. And yellow. Honestly, that is really all the paint I'm gonna need, because again, I'm keeping that negative space on each side. It's just gonna go from left to right. But you can see the cells that are percolating here. Really, really cool. And what I'll do for disruption is I will circle this back this way, and then I can just bring some lines through it and stretch it out. So what is everybody's opinion? Who do you like? Grease 1 or Grease 2? I mean, I like both, but I am a big fan of Grease 2. Mainly because, I mean, I love the songs in Grease 1, but I just really love almost all of the songs in Grease 2. Man, this is really, really selling up. So nice. So let's twist and come off to this side. I'm gonna lift up and twist my paints right on over here. Keep on twisting. Now, what I'll do to break up this little swirl and then here is you just kind of do a few zigzags. So I'm just gonna start back here where I came off the canvas, and the edge of this has black. So what I'm gonna do is bring some of that black into the color. So I'm gonna start right here and just come down in like this. Way, because this stuff's gonna move. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna just bring some of this black up into here. And then I can do the same thing where I brought my paint over that way. Okay. This brought a little more yellow in there. I can see my silver, of course, the red and the pink, of course. We'll lose a lot of paint, which is fine. So I'm just gonna we're just kind of walking it back this way. Just stretching this out. Here's what I want to do. I think I got too much yellow in this. And I don't hate it, but I think I want to create more of the pink and more of the red. So let's do this. And I've got enough black. So let's put another set of black right here. All right, I like the yellow in there, but I think it's too much. So what I'm gonna do this time is use some yellow first. Let's put just a touch more black in the center. All right, I'm gonna go light on the yellow. And then I'm gonna throw in the red. I'm gonna come in with the silver. Heavy on the pink. And just a touch more red. Let that come out, and then we'll do the same process. Twist, lift, and come off here. Then I'm going to make my swipes through. That's going to give me more pink, red, and the silver. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this side first. This will help take off all that yellow. Stretch this back down, give this a little bit of movement. Okay, leave it here. You know, it's not exactly what I was kind of hoping for, but it's definitely giving me my pink lady vibes. So I've got the gray color, I've got more pink and red in there. I've got slivers of yellow still left. So I'm okay with that. So all I'm gonna do now is just touch up my sides and edges. Where I was tilting, I ended up getting more paint on the canvas on the corners. So just gonna clean that off and then I'll bring you guys in. Okay, here we are with the wet result. So the more and more I stare at this, the more and more I like this. I'm loving the cells that are coming up. I like the little, whatever you want to call that, little arm shooting off at the top. Sorry for the glare. Look at this center. So cute. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So this piece is literally still drying. The humidity here is disgusting, so nothing is drying with a quickness, and I don't wanna turn the heat on to get it to dry faster. So I'm just gonna let it dry on its own. So I'll put the dry results in the next video. So thank you so much for the idea for doing this, Mina. It was so much fun. Let's head over to Nate. He's up next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.